Unleashing the power of words. Understanding roar in agreement. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that vividly captures the essence of collective enthusiasm: roar in agreement. Join us as we unpack its meaning, usage, and the vivid imagery it conveys. Whether you're an English language learner or simply love enriching your vocabulary, this video is for you. Roar in agreement is a phrase that combines vivid imagery with the expression of strong consensus. To roar traditionally means to make a loud, deep sound, as a lion does. However, when used metaphorically in this context, it describes a group of people showing loud, enthusiastic approval or support for an idea, statement, or decision. The key aspect here is not just agreement but the passionate and vocal way in which it is expressed. This phrase is particularly effective in settings where collective support is both visible and audible. Let's break down a few scenarios. Public events or speeches. Imagine a speaker making a compelling point, and the audience responds with thunderous applause and cheers. That's a moment when they roar in agreement. Meetings or discussions. In less public, yet still passionate discussions, when everyone quickly and enthusiastically agrees with a proposal, they're metaphorically roaring in agreement. Literature and media. Writers often use this phrase to convey a scene of unanimous support or excitement among a group, enhancing the reader's immersion through powerful imagery. Understanding the context is crucial. This expression is best used to describe situations of intense and collective agreement, making it a powerful tool in both spoken and written English. Incorporating phrases like roar in agreement into your language repertoire does more than just expand your vocabulary. It allows you to convey complex ideas and emotions vividly and memorably. This phrase, in particular, can help emphasize unity and strength. It suggests a strong, unified response, showcasing solidarity among the participants. Passion and enthusiasm. It highlights the emotional intensity behind the agreement, suggesting that it's not just a mere nod of approval but a wholehearted endorsement. Using such expressive language can make your speech or writing more engaging, persuasive, and impactful. We hope you enjoyed delving into the rich imagery and meaning of roar in agreement with us. Understanding and using such phrases can greatly enhance your English communication, making it more vivid, expressive, and nuanced. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its power to convey not just information, but emotion and unity. Keep exploring, and don't hesitate to roar in agreement the next time you find yourself wholeheartedly supporting an idea. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of English.